What's up, everyone? Another update here. Headers arrived and I installed them. These are BBKs, BBK 1515 zeros. Both sides installed. There you go. The passenger side ones look wider than the driver's side for some reason, but they already got plenty of clearance. See that? And for the bottom, for the starter too, there's a lot of clearance. And this side, got the oil dipstick installed. Back here in the flange, they hit the ear of the block just a little bit, like barely. So what I'm going to do is loosen them up, and then I'm going to grind the ear a little bit. Maybe just like a 16th or an 8th, just so they clear and not hit anything. It's very little. But yeah, BBKs are known for this issue. They either hit the ear or they hit the steering shaft right there, which, see, we got plenty of room here. And down there's plenty of room. Other than that, they're beautiful. These are ceramic coated ones. And got some more stuff. Let's see what we got here. This is the SVE flywheel. The lightweight flywheel. It's not aluminum. It's billet steel. And I got the clutch, the Pro Street clutch, McLeod. Yeah, check that out. This is a whole kit I got. Heater hose, couple hoses. This is thermostat housing, radiator hoses, thermostat clamps, more hoses. This is a main seal, but I don't need that. It just came with the clutch kit. I'm gonna save that. This is a heater fitting for the intake. Bolts for the flywheel. Bolts for the thermostat housing. You know what this is. Oh, this is the thermostat. Oh, these are the bolts for the clutch with dowel pins. So yeah, I'm gonna do this work today. I'm gonna try to get that flywheel and clutch installed, and bell housing, maybe the starter too, and then I'll work on the clutch. I mean on the transmission. I got the oil for the transmission and all that. But yeah, we're getting there. I just want to update you guys.